What's up, YouTube? Mithram here, and I thought that I'd do another, bunch of pack openings before I start doing the daily packs, just so I can get a little bit more cards, because there's a couple rares, couple things that I'd like before I start slowing down on the amount of packs I open from what I have. So I'm going to be doing a fat pack opening right now. And I forgot to pre-cut my stuff. So you just have to wait a little bit longer. I'm still trying to decide how I want to do the daily packs. I've been thinking about slowing down even more, maybe doing like an every other day thing, but that's gonna be a little bit hard to keep track of, and then I wouldn't know what to name it. An every other day pack opening, that sounds a little funky, but I don't know. Well, we'll see. I might just do the daily pack openings. See, because the other thing is, I don't really have a plan for what comes after. So yeah. Okay. There's the fat pack, kinda, sorta, and I also wanted this sucker. That's awesome. Ooh. Then, so for those of you who have not seen it, here's what the little poster thingy looks like when you unfold the box. Probably not that important. Yeah, I really wanted this player's guide just so I can look at all the cards because they're very cool. Alright. And here is the... Ooh, and I also wanted the dice. So there's that. Okay, what color is it? What color is it? It's green. That's kind of cool. That's a color I don't really have. Kind of wanted the blacker or white one. So the boxes are Soren and Skirstag Flare. I'm not gonna put them together. And something else. So what the box looks like. Kinda cool. Okay, so oops. Let us get to the packed openings, which is what I am here for. So focus. There it is. It's kind of cool. Kind of. Right. Not important. It's how to play. It's like a little poster thing. And alright. So in this, it's a pack of lands, and then at the back, there are also checklist cards for any of the double-faced cards from the set, which is very convenient. So, got 9 packs, and let's go ahead, open them up. Sweet. I think I'll just read them off, and then you guys can pause and check out the video and read them and stuff. So, Favor of the Woods, Torch Fiend, Artful Dodge, Grave Purge, Break of Day. I really like the artwork on this one. Midnight Guard, Chant of Skifsang, Highborn Ghoul, Talons of Falconwrath, Heckling Fiend, that's pretty funny, Niblis, oh, that is an uncommon, so, uncommon, Heckling Fiend, Niblis of the Breath, Village Survivors, and it's green 5/4. Aha! Vorapede. Very nice. That's what it looks like. 5 casting cost for a 5/4 Vigilance Trample Undying, which is, I hear, very good. Very good. Well, I don't know. That's pretty good. And double-sided card is a Loyal Cathar, or Cathar. I don't know how you want to pronounce it. Yeah, nothing cool there. Right. Dog. Oh, trash. Hold on. Okay, commons. Focus. Focus. I think that's good. Thought Scour, Russet Wolves, Hunger of the Howl Pack, Black Cat. I can't tell if it's blurry. Shriekgeist, and I'm sorry if it is. Midnight Guard, Ulvenwald Bear, Undying Evil, Griptide. Art on this one's pretty cool. And uncommons, we have Curse of Thirst, Trekker's Instincts, and Awake Dancer. And the rare in this pack is... it's land! Which land? Which land is it? Yay! Vault of the Archangel. There it is. That's what it does. Pretty cool. Good stuff. And... oh, Chosen of Markov. Oh, which turns into Markov Servant. And I forgot to do the other one. Loyal Cathar turns into Unhallowed Cathar. That's nice. Yeah. I think I take too much time going over the commons for these, so they end up being really long videos of me just naming commons. So, uncommons, Relentless Scabs, Harrowing Journey, and Altar of the Lost. Very nice for flashback. Unfortunately, I don't think you can use it for anything else. Ooh. It's a white spell. And increasing devotion, very nice. Great for when you don't have any blockers and you need them. Oh, with a nice human token to go with it. And the double-sided is 1/3. What's it called? Soul Caesar. 1/3 flyer. When it does combat damage to a player, it becomes an enchantment where you control an enchanted creature. Pretty neat. Wow, 11 minutes. That went by really fast. Pretty darn quick. Somber Wall Dryad. Nice card. And the uncommons are Markov Warlord, Niblis of the Breath, Secrets of the Dead, and a rare green 2/1. I don't know. Deranged Outcast, nice. This guy's pretty good with green-white humans. Wolf token. Oh, Scorned Villager and oh, it's a land. Forest. Oh. Scorned Villager is a 2-drop, 1/1, a werewolf that can tap for mana, and when she flips over, Vigilance, and you can add 2 green, and it's 2/2, so pretty nice. Cool stuff. Curse of Exhaustion, Chill the Foreboding, Blood Feud. The rare is it's blue spell, Counter Lash. Nice. Don't know what to say. Oh, another Scorned Villager. Oh, and there's a shiny. What is it? Oh! Is it that Ghoul Tree? Yay! Shiny Ghoul Tree! That is cool. Like the little skulls. That's awesome. Cool stuff. Who'd have thought? Who'd have thought? I would not have. Fling, very nice. And we have another Heckling Fiends. Another Niblis of the Breath. Oh, and I think those were the same uncommons as the first one. I could be wrong. And oh, green spell. it's called Feed the Pack. And beginning of your end step is sacrifice 32. Cool. It's kind of nice. Human token. Oh. It's another loyal Cathar. And oh, it's just this one. Tricked me. Alright, 3 more. Come on, cool stuff. Well, that works out a little bit easier. Divinations. Sanctuary Cat. Grave Tiller Worm. Relentless Scabs. And another Village Survivors. Holy moly. And the rare for the pack. It's another 2-1. Oh look, another Duran Shock. That's nice. Could use more, I guess. The Wolf Token. Just in case. Nope, nothing. And the double-sided card. Oh, another Chosen of Markov. Markov Servant. Last 2 packs. Oh, Drog Skull Captain. I love the captains, they're so cool. Tower Geist to go with the Drog Skull Captain. Blah, 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 blah. And a Farbog Bone Slinger. And the rare is Black 3/3. Is that vampire? Yep. Fiend of the Shadows. Vampire Wizard. Cool. Oh. Lamphold Elder. Look at the other side real fast after. Yet another land that jukes me out. Lamphold Elder. Plain old 1/2, which turns into a 4/5 that allows you to draw a card when you deal combat damage to a player, or when Silver Pelt Werewolf deals combat damage to a player. Okay, here we are, last pack. Come on. Black Cat. Alright. Vengeful Vampire. Trekker's Instincts. And Blood Feud. And the final rare of our fat pack is Black 2/1. Is that a Grave Crawler? It is. Nice. Sweet. That's cool. Cannot block, but as long as you control another zombie, or you control a zombie, you may cast Gravecrawler from your graveyard. Which is very cool. And it only costs 1 black, which is very nice. And the last double-sided card is... oh, a Loyal Cathar. Very nice. cool. Real quick recap. Oh, Gravecrawler, Fiend of Shadows, Deranged Outcast, Feed the Pack, a shiny Goldtree, Counterlash, another Deranged Outcast, Increasing Devotion, Vault of the Archangel, and a Vorpede, which is very cool. Mythic Rare. Nice. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.